Tonight, we take you inside the company called OpenAI.
What you as a user want, some of the time, not always, not perfectly, and try to help you.
Imagine if you gave ChatGPT the ability to see. That would be quite something, right? Microsoft has recently introduced Visual Chat GPT, which lets you share and edit pictures during your chat. Furthermore, MidJourney also unveiled version 5 of Wonder Studio, bringing revolutionary changes to 3D animation. Let's explore how combining ChatGPT with computer vision can create something remarkable. Using text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and Azure's computer vision services, we can give ChatGPT both a voice and eyes. Imagine a technology that goes directly into your phone, allowing it to see and hear what you're doing. It can provide context, answer questions, and even alert you to interesting things like pointing out a celebrity or explaining a scene. The upcoming GPT-4 version holds immense potential if it becomes multimodal. This means it could do various tasks that involve both text and images. Here are a few of the possibilities if it succeeds in becoming multimodal. Imagine a super smart robot friend who's not just good with words, but also really great with pictures. It can look at tricky picture puzzles and answer questions about them, like a visual brain teaser. When you show it a messy handwritten note or a paper with no words, it magically turns it into a regular readable writing, like a computer wizard. You can even show it a picture and have a friendly chat about what's in the picture, just like you talk to your friends. GPT-4 is like a super detective for pictures, explaining why a kid might be sad or describing cool hairstyles. And guess what? It can also understand when you talk to it, just like when you talk to your parents or teachers. It's like having a robot buddy that's great with both words and pictures and can chat with you too. It's important to note that while the Chief Technology Officer of Microsoft Germany, Andreas Brown, mentioned these possibilities, OpenAI has not officially confirmed the release of such features for ChatGPT. Get ready, because the craziest version of ChatGPT is set to achieve new heights with its upgraded GPT-4 model. This enhanced version boasts a large neural network and advanced features promising to revolutionize the landscape. Its limitless capabilities push the boundaries of what we once thought possible in artificial intelligence and machine learning. While ChatGPT has set a high standard, GPT-4 is prepared to take things to the next level, opening the door to an exciting future full of endless possibilities. So what if we integrated ChatGPT into a robot? Well, the result will be something truly fascinating and groundbreaking. Something similar was done before that made a lot of headlines. A mecha is a super smart robot that shows how amazing technology can be. It's like a really advanced computer that can think and act almost like a person. It can use special cameras and sensors to look at pictures and understand them, just like we use for our eyes to see things. It's not only good at one job, it's like having many skills in one robot. It can talk to people like we do, and it's super fast at solving really hard problems. It can even predict what might happen in the future and give us smart ideas about different things, almost like a super smart friend. A mecha is really helpful in different places, like hospitals and factories. In hospitals, it can quickly look at medical records and help doctors decide how to treat sick people. In factories, it works together with people to make things better and faster. But wait, there's more! A mecha can also understand how people feel, like when we're happy or sad. It uses special computer tricks to figure out our feelings and can even listen when we want to talk. Let's get back to our new ChatGPT-4. In casual discussions, distinguishing between GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 can be difficult. However, the differences become clearer as the tasks become more complex. GPT-4 surpasses its predecessor in terms of reliability, creativity, and handling of intricate instructions. In simpler terms, GPT-4 is better equipped to tackle complex challenges and provide sophisticated solutions. Like its predecessors, GPT-4 is a versatile language tool that can take any prompt and transform your ideas into written text, aiding in various tasks such as content generation and summarizing. What sets GPT-4 apart is its highly innovative and collaborative feature. Whether you're crafting songs, screenplays, or learning a writing style, GPT-4 offers a unique and diverse creative and technical writing experience. Another standout feature of GPT-4 is its ability to handle a substantial amount of text, processing up to 25,000 words, 8 times more than the previous version. This enables GPT-4 to generate more detailed responses, making it ideal for creating extensive content, analyzing documents, and engaging in lengthy conversations. GPT-4's longer memory ensures a seamless flow of conversational text. It can retain up to 50 pages of information, ensuring accurate responses throughout your interactions. Unlike the earlier version, which generated text-based responses, GPT-4 can keep up with the conversation and provide precise answers, enhancing the overall experience. However, this upcoming version will introduce a game-changing feature, multimodal capability. GPT-4 can analyze images and extract meaningful information beyond simple descriptions. It can perform tasks like image classification, providing captions for images, detecting objects, and even generating new images or modifying existing ones. This advanced functionality opens up new possibilities for applications like computer vision, natural language processing, and creative image generation. In terms of advanced reasoning, GPT-4 is a true innovation. innovation. With its broader general knowledge and enhanced reasoning abilities, it can solve complex problems more accurately than ever. Whether a complicated math equation or a challenging logic problem, GPT-4 possesses the skills and expertise to find the best solutions. Furthermore, GPT-4 has a remarkable ability to offer personalized learning experiences to individuals based on their skill levels. It covers various subjects, including science, history, entrepreneurship, leadership, and mathematics. This tool is a patient and supportive tutor that learners can access anytime, providing knowledge and guidance. Last but not least, GPT-4 showcases its multilingual capability. Unlike being restricted to a few languages, GPT-4 is a trailblazer by accurately answering thousands of questions in over 26 different languages, including Spanish, Korean, and Japanese. With its multilingual capabilities, you can communicate with people worldwide regardless of their native language. ChatGPT has introduced a significant update that brings web browsing and plugins to ChatGPT Plus users. This transition from alpha to beta is a major milestone in AI. Previously, one of the limitations of ChatGPT was its inability to access data beyond 2021. This new browsing feature addressed that issue, allowing ChatGPT to access information from the internet and use third-party plugins. The updated interface now presents two distinct icons, GPT 3.5 for free users and GPT-4 for those accessing ChatGPT Plus. Upon selecting the GPT icon, a drop-down menu reveals the browsing tab. Although the browsing feature might initially seem underwhelming, it becomes effective with continued usage. ChatGPT's browsing process is visible, allowing users to witness its thought process, unlike Bing or Bard, which provide immediate responses without this level of transparency. This update enhances ChatGPT's capabilities by incorporating web browsing and plugins, broadening its access information and making it a valuable tool for various applications. On another exciting note, MidJourney recently unveiled version 5 of their system. They presented several images for people to vote on, although they mentioned that these images don't represent the final V5 algorithms. The images have higher resolution, better detail, and a wider stylistic range compared to V4. The realism in V5 has notably improved, and they showcase an image that's almost indistinguishable from a photograph, but it's entirely AI generated. An interesting interaction involves someone asking Bing AI to explain the Silicon Valley Bank collapse in simple terms. You won't believe the response. The AI responded with an analogy using monkeys and bananas. It likened the bank to a big tree with many bananas. Resources promised the monkeys customers. However, the tree lost many bananas in a storm, leaving some monkeys without enough. This led to dissatisfaction and a bigger monkey taking over to provide more bananas. Other trees, banks, observed and hoped their monkeys wouldn't run away with their bananas too. On a different note, Wonder Studio has revolutionized 3D animation with an incredible AI tool. This tool automates the animation of lights and seamlessly integrates computer-generated characters into live-action scenes. The best part, you don't need complex 3D software or expensive production equipment. Simple camera is all you require. This remarkable innovation eliminates the need for time-consuming steps like character removal, costly motion capture suits, rigging, and intricate scene adjustments. Now, with just a snap, you can achieve all of this effortlessly. The legitimacy of this advancement became apparent when Steven Spielberg joined the advisory board. The tool blends physical and digital realities seamlessly. While it's not yet available to the public, it will be, hopefully soon. Another exciting development is converging various big language models under one roof. You can submit a prompt and compare outputs from different language models like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Tropic, Claude, and Cohere. This feature allows you to explore diverse answers generated based on your input. For instance, you can ask a question like, how can I get people to subscribe? And witness the range of responses produced by each model. This offers a comprehensive playground for language model comparison. So there you have it. That's how ChatGPT 4 is going to revolutionize the way you communicate and assist you in various tasks. The world is ready to take their conversations to the next level. Are you? That's it for today's video. If this video covered what you really searched for, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with us. Ring the bell icon too. Goodbye.